No doubt about that. This is indeed going to be something that we'll continue to watch over the next couple of days. We do have now Tropical Storm Marco. So it was a tropical storm. It took that advance to a Category 1 hurricane, and now it's kind of lost some of that steam again. So now that's the most recent update is going to be Tropical Storm Marco. But it is going to be, as Wayne mentioned, the heavy rain, the storm surge, which is going to cause an issue. And then right behind it, Laura, which may end up becoming a Category 1 or 2 hurricane, is going to be arriving in a very similar location at this time, although there's some uncertainty to that path. But we'll take a closer look at what's going on. This is actually Marco right here, and notice that icon change. So that is now a tropical storm, and eventually we'll take that path to the west as it does kind of collide with Louisiana there. The wind about 70 miles per hour, so that's still very strong. But then there's Laura. And as it does kind of make its direction to the northwest here, it is expected to kind of gain some fuel, you could say. And with that, we're thinking about a Category 1 hurricane by the time it enters the Gulf, and then it may even strengthen as it gets closer to the United States and the border of Louisiana and then the surrounding states. So a hurricane warning's in place till Wednesday because of this back-to-back hit of both storms, and that is going to be likely an issue there for those folks for the first chunk of the work week. Of course, we'll have an article on our website, coin.com, and we'll have updates over the next couple of days. Here in the Pacific Northwest, much different scene. We're just seeing beautiful summer weather. It's going to stay that way for just about all week. We do have a system here to the northwest, which is going to bring some rain for them, but for us, we should stay dry. Notice that there's some clouds to the west there that shouldn't impact us as we go into tomorrow. Although we may get some high thin clouds out there. You can see that for the afternoon. Temperatures should be feeling real nice, about 80 degrees tomorrow. In fact, I have us at 81, so we'll notch a degree up there. 82 coming down the gorge, and then something to watch is going to be central and eastern Oregon. We may actually have some pretty heavy smoke for those sections of the state. Temperatures in the mid-80s, maybe some lower 80s out there, and I'm also watching for a chance for maybe a couple stray thunderstorms for tomorrow. Plenty of heat down to the southeast, some cooler fall-like temperatures up to the north. We're right in between that, so that's why we're sitting pretty nice in the lower 80s for the next couple of days. Thursday into Friday, though, we start to see those temperatures bump up just a little bit. Here's that round of shower activity for tomorrow. We may even see a couple of thunderstorms develop north of Malheur or Lake counties down to the south, but I don't think it's going to reach too far to the north, but we'll have to watch for a little bit of lightning again with a couple of those thunderstorms. All right, 7-day forecast, 83 degrees on Wednesday, 84 on Thursday, Friday in the mid-80s, Wayne. It looks like we have a nice week in front of us.
All right, still ahead.